Hello everyone. Arshad Nadeem does not need any introduction. He is a Pakistani javelin thrower who is best known for being an 8-time national champion. Arshad gained immense popularity when he became the first individual Olympic champion from Pakistan after registering a throw of 92.97 meter on his second attempt in the final at the 2024 Paris Olympics. So let's discuss Arshad Nadeem's lifestyle, net worth and his biography. He was born on January 2, 1997 in Khanewal, Punjab, Pakistan. He is 27 years old as of 2024. His hometown is Mia Channu, Khanewal. Arshad completed his studies from Government High School. He developed an interest in sports at an early age. In school, he played various sports including cricket, badminton, football and athletics. When he was in 7th grade, he caught the attention of Rashid Ahmed Saki during an athletics competition. However, after a couple of years, Arshad had to make a choice between cricket and athletics. Inspired by his two elder brothers, both of whom were athletics at the divisional level, Nadeem chose athletics after a thorough discussion with his coach. Initially, he pursued shot put, discus throw and javelin throw in athletics. Later he dropped discus throw and shot put, focusing on the javelin throw after being influenced by his father Muhammad Ashraf. Let's talk about his career. Arshad began competing professionally in javelin throwing in 2015. A year later, he received a scholarship from World Athletics to train at the IAF High Performance Training Center in Mauritius. When the 2015 National Championships were just around the corner, Nadeem appeared in their trials where he managed a throw of 56 meters. Although the scouts on duty dismissed him, saying that he would never be a 60-meter plus athlete. His potential was recognized by Syed Fiaz Hussain Bukhari, who inducted him into the camp for the championships. Within a month, when Arshad scored a gold medal in the Inter-Department Championship with a throw of 69 meters, Bukhari became his permanent coach. Thereafter, he started representing the Water and Power Development Authority in domestic competitions. On his last try at the 2015 National Championships, he broke the 70 meters barrier, the distance widely regarded as a qualification mark for international selection then. At the age of 18, Arshad became the national champion, booking his place in the South Asian Games 2016 squad. At the 2018 Commonwealth Games in Australia, he broke his own national record in the qualifying round but injured himself in the process. On December 7, 2019, he created history at the South Asian Games in Kathmandu by smashing the national record with a throw of 86.29 meters, securing a gold medal and surpassing Neeraj Chopra's game record set in 2016 by 4 meters. In August 2021, Arshad qualified for the men's javelin throw event final of the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, becoming the first ever Pakistani to qualify for the final of any track and field event in the history of Olympics. His throw of 84.62 meters secured him 5th rank at the Olympics. His epic win came in August 2022 when he became the first Pakistani to win a gold medal at the Commonwealth Games in the men's javelin throw event, becoming the first South Asian to breach the 90 meters mark. In an interview, his father Muhammad Ashraf mentioned that Arshad Nadeem often finds inspiration for his own athletic performance by watching Neeraj Chopra's videos on his phone. Now let's meet his family. His father's name is Muhammad Ashraf. He is the third oldest among 5 brothers. One of Arshad's younger brother is also a javelin thrower. One of his younger brothers' name is Aleem. When it comes to his house, he lives with his family in Mia Channu, Punjab, Pakistan. Let's see his net worth. Some reports suggested that Arshad Nadeem has a net worth of $2 million. He won a silver medal at the World Athletics Championship 2023. In addition to this, he won a prize money of $35,000. So this was Arshad Nadeem's lifestyle video. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.